Whoop, whoop.
Stop.
Ivan. In the last episode, are we recording? I am recording. In the last episode, I showed you the test ground, China, Oracle database powering the police cloud. 1 billion people, each with a permanent digital shadow. That's our boy Larry Ellison. But Larry Ellison just didn't build the system for China. He built it to sell.
Infrastructure and your borders, all of that you have to provide. But beyond that, if you want to improve population health, you have to take all of your healthcare data, your diagnostic data, your electronic health records, your genomic data. And in the Middle East, in the UAE, for example, they're incredibly rich in data. They have a lot of population data. The NHS in the UK has an incredible amount of population data, but it's fragmented. It's not easily accessible by these AI models. A single, if you will, unified data platform. So we provide context. When we want to ask a question, we've provided that AI model with all the data they need to understand our country.
And the pitch is live. Ellison's Web, Episode 2, The Upgrade. The World Government Summit is where aristocrats and politicians with tech billionaires to discuss the future of governance.
But wait, there's more.
The audience in Dubai isn't just listening, they're buying. Oracle calls them sovereign clouds. The pitch is elegant. Your country's data stays within your country, your servers in your territory, under your control. Privacy, security, digital sovereignty. Sounds good, right? Now, guess who's got the key? Here's what they didn't advertise. The clouds all run Oracle's infrastructure, Oracle software, Oracle's AI, imagine that. And Oracle has the master access. Of course they do. Let's take a tour of Ellison's empire, shall we? United Arab Emirates, Oracle Sovereign Cloud launched in 2023. The UAE, a country with no free press, where dissidents just disappear, now has all government data unified on Oracle's infrastructure. Health records, financial records, biometrics information from their national ID system. Saudi Arabia, Oracle announced a sovereign cloud in 2024, the same government that murders journalists, now gets a full Oracle suite. They're using it for Nimoy, their $500 billion smart city project, a city where AI monitors everything, everyone, all of the time. Think about that for a minute. And then we have India, Oracle's cloud opening multiple sovereign regions, 1.4 billion people. The government is building a unified ID system in Ahara with biometrics for every citizen. Oracle is helping them link it all together. Aren't they nice? Rwanda, yes, Rwanda. Oracle Sovereign Cloud announced in 2024. A country of 13 million people with a GDP smaller than Vermont gets the same surveillance infrastructure as the superpowers. Really? Why? Because Uganda's president, Paul Kagame, wants every citizen tracked, and Oracle will sell it to anyone. Seeing a pattern? Authoritarian governments, ambitious surveillance programs, and Oracle providing the infrastructure to make it all work. The pitch isn't just for dictatorships anymore. Tony Blair, former UK Prime Minister, war criminal to some, tech evangelist to others, and Ellison's favorite politician. Imagine. Since 2016, Blair has been running the Tony Blair Institute, for global change. It advertises governments on modernization and digital transformation, of course. Translation, it sells them on centralized database and AI surveillance. And who's funding this institute? Oh, you guessed it, Larry Ellison, to the tune of over $260 million and counting. Let that sink in for a minute. $250 million from a database billionaire to a former prime minister who now advises governments on, wait for it, how to build national databases. This is not philanthropy. This is a sales opportunity. And the biggest client, the UK. The Brit card, Blair's Institute is pushing hard for a mandatory digital ID system for all UK citizens. Biometrics data, unified government services, everything linked together. Target implementation date 2029. The NHS Unified Record System, every citizen's complete medical history, every diagnosis, every prescription, every hospital visit in one central database. Love to be a hacker there. Blair's Institute wrote the proposal. Oracle is positioned to build it. And Oracle already has their hooks deep into the UK government, over £1 billion in active contracts. The National Health Services, the Home Office, the Minister of Defense. They're just sitting there waiting. This is the blueprint going global. Test it in China, sell it to the aristocrats. Wrap it in progressive language, modernization, efficiency, saving the NHS and selling it to democracies. Tony Blair provides the political cover. Larry Ellison provides the technology. And citizens, they get the surveillance. Take a step back. Look at what's really happening here. Every one of these projects, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Rwanda, and the UK, all have the same architecture. Think about that. One centralized, all government database, health, finance, education, criminal justice, everything in one place. Linked to biometrics identification, facial recognition, fingerprints, iris scans. Your body becomes your permanent ID. Layer AI on top, pattern recognitions, predictive analytics, flag anomalies, predictive behavior. It's coming. It is coming. Digital ID requirements for the government services, for healthcare, for banking, eventually for everything. China's doing this already. This is the upgrade. In Dubai, Ellison wasn't pitching databases. He was pitching an operating system for social control. Unify all of your national data, put it in one database so AI can consume it. And wait a minute, consume it, not analyze it, consume it. Because once AI consumes your data, your health history, your financial records, your social connections, your location data, your biometrics, you are not a citizen anymore. You are a data point, a risk score, a prediction. And every government buying Oracle's infrastructure is building the same cage. Some are honest about it. UAE, they don't give a shit. They don't pretend to be free. Some dress it up. Call it UK's modernization. regardless. Same cage. This is episode 2 of Ellison's Web. Now you're seeing the testing grounds, China, and the global rollout. Oracle Sovereign Cloud in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, India, Uganda, Tony Blair's Institute pushing digital ID and unified health records in the UK. Bankrolled, that's right, by Larry Ellison to the tune of $260 million. Over £1 billion in UK government contracts already. And the BRIC card is coming by 2029. The web is growing. Thread by thread, country by country. We've touched on it. The biggest data gold rush in human history. In the next episode, we're going to talk about health data gold rush. But wait, it's just not the records, it's more. Because all of this, the sovereign clouds, the digital IDs, the unified databases, your health records, not just the records you're thinking of, but even deeper, your DNA, your prescriptions, your diagnoses, your family history, your mental health records. Why? Because health data is worth more than oil, and Oracle is positioning itself to own the pipes. Citizens will be on their best behavior because we're constantly recording them. You heard him say it.
Citizens will be on their best behavior because we're constantly recording and reporting everything that's going on. Everyone would see it. Your body cams will be transmitting that.
In episode 3, I'm going to show you exactly how Oracle is building the global health security system.
Either. Ivan, sorry I'm late. You're forgiven, sir. The gray hoodie works well with your gray beard. Logical for a 67-year-old. Get off my lawn. That's a great comment. I'll be honest with you. You had me. You had me going. Love you, GBC. Keep looking up because that's where it all is. God is great. God is.
And why your medical privacy is the price of admission. So do me a favor. Subscribe. Try to get my numbers up. Share it with somebody who might be interested in this type of surveillance because it's coming. But it's not just about surveillance of criminals. It's surveillance of everyone. And Ellison's web is tightening. See you in episode 3.
Hell yeah, we're still going, homie. Are you kidding me?
Careful what you click on.
Yeah, we're still going. Hell yeah, we're still going, homie. Are you kidding me?